Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Griselda. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to create this look. I wanted to do a look for the holidays that was going to be super easy. Most of the time, we don't have time to either get our makeup done or do a super glam look. And I know it looks like it took a million hours to create this look, but honestly, it is the easiest. You only need a few products and you can't go wrong with a red lip. If you want to see how to create this look, then just keep on watching. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off by applying a little bit of this GLAMGLOW GlowStarter. This is in the shade Sun Glow. We're just gonna apply that all over the skin. I really like this because it gives you like a really nice tint, but like not really. But you see how it gives like a really nice glowy finish. Next, we're gonna go ahead and prime, and I'm gonna be using my Tatcha Silk Canvas. I've been getting all of my friends hooked onto this primer every time they come to my house and we're getting ready. I'm like, you have to use this, and then they end up loving it. And then just apply a little bit of the Banana Bright Cream by OleHenriksen. I'm just gonna apply that under the eyes. So for this video, as you guys know, I do have a few brand new products that I am going to be talking about. The first product is going to be the Bomb Ass Brows by DESI PERKINS. How beautiful does she look? She looks so pretty. I mean, her brows always look so good. Like, for not having brows, her brows look bomb. Hence, Bomb Ass Brows. This comes with 5 products and a brush. I'm going to be using the Precisely My Brow from this because that's what I usually use. And this is in the shade number 4. We're just going to brush our brows. And this is just going to help us kind of see where we have those sparse areas. And then just fill those in. And I've really been loving really natural eyebrows, not doing them so dark and so full. I'm just kind of filling in those sparse areas. I go in very lightly, especially in the front. I don't want it to be like really intense, so I'm almost barely touching my skin. And then this area right here, I have like a really huge gap, so this is where I do go in a little heavier with the pencil and just kind of fill in and make it look a little bit more even. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my brows up with this Studio Finish concealer in the shade NW25. I just go in with an angle brush and just follow the guide of my brow, and then just bring it down and continue following the guide and do the same steps. Now I'm just gonna go in and just blend that out. Now we're going to pick up this 24-hour brow setter, and we are going to set our brows. The brow gel honestly is like hairspray for your brows, so just think of it that way. So for today's foundation, I'm going to be using the All Hours foundation by YSL, and I've been trying to get out of the habit of applying my foundation on my hands, so I use this beauty blender. This is the Surface Simple, which basically all you do is apply your foundation on here, and it's less of a mess when you go in because, you know, sometimes you forget you have foundation in your hands and then you get it on your clothes, and we don't want that. And I'm using the color B65 Bronze. I feel like this foundation gives you like that really nice expensive look to your skin, and I know that this shade is a little darker than my actual color, but you guys will see how, when I apply the highlight, you guys will see how it just blends into my skin. So for my concealer, I'm going to be using my creamy concealer in the shade Medium 1 Custard. I picked up this concealer the other day and I was like, oh my god, I forgot I had it. And I was like, I need to use this more often. And I know I look crazy, I know it looks really light, but you guys need to calm down. I know what I'm doing. Sometimes I feel like you have to always look crazy before it looks really good. So we're just gonna blend that out. And before I forget, I am doing a giveaway. In this video, I want to give you guys some makeup. So if you want to win some makeup, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, and also leave me a black heart emoji in the comments down below and let me know why I should pick you to be the winner. And it's gonna be a box full of makeup. I'll put all the information as far as like when the winner will be announced in the description box below. The winner will be announced on my Instagram, so make sure that you're also following me on there. Today I'm actually going to be using the Huda Beauty powder, but this is in the shade Banana Bread. I'm going to bake with banana bread. I think I might like banana bread a little better. So with the powder, you guys know I really like to really powder my face, and lately I've been applying the powder all over first. It just really helps set and seal the whole entire face. I'm gonna go in with this Laura Mercier. This is the Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder. And I'm going to use my MAC Kabuki brush, and we're going to press in the powder. We're just going to press. Ah, you guys, I swear I feel like I drop something every single time I film. My channel should be called Butterfingers. So to contour, I'm going to be using this Look Ain't Luck B. Honestly, I don't even know how to pronounce this company. IL Maquillage, New York. Honestly, I don't know. But I used it the other day and I really liked how it just bronzed my skin. This is what it looks like. This is the Blaze and Glaze Mineralized Baked Sculpting Palette. And I'm going to be using their brush. This one is the 124 brush. I'm just going to pick up this color right here. And we're gonna bronze the skin. I'm gonna warm it up just a little bit. I am gonna go in with a darker bronzer, but this is essentially gonna give me like a nice transition to the other bronzer. And I'm gonna use my Blondie from Huda Beauty right underneath my cheekbones. Right underneath, right here. Okay, so now we're gonna just buff that out. Now we're going to use my Take Home the Bronze by the Balm, and this one is in the shade Toni. And we're going to pick up that same brush, and then we're just going to use the tip of that. I'm just going to apply that right underneath to just kind of deepen in the bronzer. Now we're going to go ahead and spray ourselves with Fix Plus. Now to highlight our skin, we're going to be using this Patrick Star. This is the Baby It's Gold Outside. It is such a beautiful highlight. Like, I have no words. This is so beautiful. I haven't even swatched it at all. Let's go ahead and swatch it together. Look at that. Ugh. It's like the perfect gold highlight. So now let's go ahead and drench our face with Baby It's Gold Outside. Okay, so I'm going to pick up this Morphe 501 brush. Ooh, yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, Patrick. Stop. So for my eye base, I'm going to be using my Jouer concealer. For those that are new to my channel, I love using my Jouer concealer as my eye base because it just gives me a really nice smooth canvas. And then I just use a fluffy brush and press it in. Now picking up this eyeshadow palette. This is the Day Slayer 15D by Morphe. It comes in, it's like a really nice warm eyeshadow palette. So we're gonna pick up this color called Forever, and we're gonna run that through the crease. Honestly, this look is gonna be super easy because all it requires is 2 eyeshadow colors. And I'm just using a Makeup Addiction, the blender brush, and we're gonna apply that in the crease. And I chose a color that is usually deeper than what I usually like to use as my transition shade because this is the only color that I'm gonna have on the crease. I feel like this look is super easy when it comes to the holidays because it looks really glamorous and it looks really bold because the focus is mainly the lips because we are going to be applying a red lip. but the eyes are still going to stand out because they're going to be so shimmery and so dazzling that it's just going to be like a whole look in itself. It'll definitely look like you took a long time doing this look when honestly you didn't. So next we're going to be using this Diamond Lights finisher by Artist Couture, and when I tell you this right here is going to change your life, look at that. It is literally like a disco ball on your eyes. And I don't have anything underneath. You guys will see. I didn't apply a base. I went in straight with my finger, and look, I have nothing on my finger. We're gonna go ahead and pick that up. And you guys are gonna see, I'm gonna pick up the mirror and I'm just gonna go straight in and swipe. Look at that. I'm just lightly pressing it in. Oh, I don't even know what to say. Don't even know what to say. So I feel like I brought it up a little higher on the other side, so we're just going to press it on. So now I'm just going to go back and blend out the eyeshadow with that blending brush and almost give it like a really nice blown out look. So for eyeliner, I'm going to be using this Kat Von D Dagger. This is the tattoo liner, and honestly I have been sleeping on this eyeliner because it is really pigmented and very easy to use. I like the fact that it does have a really fine felt tip. We're just gonna go ahead and use this to create our wing, and I'm keeping the wing really tight. I'm not bringing it out so much because I really want to keep it very classic. I don't want to do a super thick wing liner, especially if we're going to do this look for a holiday party. You still want to keep it very classic. So we're just going to keep the wing really tight to the lash line. So for mascara, I'm going to be using my Superhero Mascara by IT Cosmetics. And we're just gonna do a small coat of that. So for lashes, we're gonna be using the Mykonos lashes by Lilly. These are really gonna open up my eyes and make them look a lot larger. So for my bottom waterline, I'm gonna be using this 24/7 Glide On eye pencil. This is in the shade Smog, and this one is by Urban Decay, and we're just gonna run that through the bottom of our lash line. I feel like this is gonna give it that final touch. We're just going to bring it a little lower just to kind of smoke out the bottom of the eyes. And with a pencil brush, this one is from Sigma. This is the E30 brush. And we're just going to go ahead and blend that out. For like an evening look, this is going to be really perfect because it gives you like a really nice like smoky effect. All right, for the lips, we're going to be using this Nars. This is the Power Matte lip pigment in the shade Just Push Play. I really love the applicator of these Power Mattes because it's almost like a lip liner in itself, and it helps you just give you a really nice perfect line. Alright everyone, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to enter my giveaway because you don't want to miss this. I am giving away so much makeup, and honestly, I am so excited because this is a way of me saying thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of your love and support, and for everyone that keeps coming back for my videos. And I really am very grateful and thankful for you guys. So thank you once again. I will see you guys in my next video.